That's my name. My name used to be this, though.
Why is it not gonna?
Caitlin.
My name used to be Catlin.
Catlin.
Yeah, they wrote it wrong on the birth certificate, so I had to get it changed.
Oh, I remember now. You told me this like a month ago, I think. It was when your folk discovered that you stay up late, and I remember
Yeah.
now.
Are you gonna sneeze now?
No, I lost it.
Can you sneeze?
Why?
Just sneeze.
No, because you want to clip my
No, just sneeze.
9 out of 10. It's cute. I'm going to put dibs on that. Clipped. Not really, no, but clipped.
No, actually,
What?
I'm gonna clip it. I'm actually gonna clip it.
Clip what?
Nothing.
Wait, are you like recording or something?
No.
I'm not. I can guarantee I'm not. Although you both are really tempting me. It's at least you guys don't have Zach's curse. Like he would be like, I hope you're not clipping, and then I would just start clipping.
What?
Cause with Zach, he would ask if I'm clipping. Like I wouldn't be thinking at all about it, and then he would ask, and I'm like, yeah, you put me in the mood for it now.
Does that mean you're gonna start clipping now?
Are you gonna sneeze?
That's the thing. You guys don't have Zach's curse. I probably won't.
Are you gonna sneeze?
No!
Can you sneeze?
I don't want to sneeze!
But I want you to sneeze.
If you sniff some pepper.
No, don't be Zach. Do not snort. Don't do
Just take a
sniffs.
small whiff.
Oh, I snorted.
A small whiff.
I snorted vinegar.
Don't fall there.
I can't say that word. I sound racist. I sound racist when I say that word. I'm sorry.
I clearly heard the vin part.
Finish
So it's
my
fine.
word, vi.
So like if you're gonna fall, like
Vinegar.
Vi.
do that. And then so you press A to attack.
Like
Were you
salt and
doing,
vinegar.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Finish
See,
my
you
word.
saying it then, it's fine.
You press down and you press this button.
Vinegar.
Clipping
Does
it.
it
And
sound
then
like-
it just only caught the last part.
I'm gonna clip it.
I shoot you with
Don't
my arrow.
clip it!
I was recording.
No.
I'm gonna clip it.
So I have a
Aw.
question.